If you're experiencing controller drift in The Sims 4, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to help resolve the issue and enjoy your game without interruptions. Step 1. Check controller settings. Ensure that your controller is properly configured in the game settings. Go to the options menu and navigate to the controller settings to make sure everything is set up correctly. Step 2. Calibrate your controller. Most gaming systems have a calibration option for controllers. Access your system settings and follow the prompts to calibrate your controller, which can help reduce drift. Step 3. Clean your controller. Dirt and debris can cause issues with controller sensitivity. Carefully clean around the thumbsticks and buttons using a soft cloth or compressed air to remove any buildup. Step 4. Update controller firmware. Check if there are any firmware updates available for your controller. Updating the firmware can fix bugs and improve performance, potentially resolving drift issues. Step 5. Test with another game. To determine if the problem is specific to The Sims 4 or your controller, try using it with another game. If the drift persists, the issue may be with the controller itself rather than the game. By following these steps, you should be able to address controller drift in The Sims 4 and enhance your gaming experience. Enjoy your time playing.